Alright, here we are in America. This is the house. We have a lot of hornets and wasps. There flew one. Hello. We have a lot of wasps everywhere.
Where's the kids? Time to go. Where's the kids?
Yeah. So.
Well, you need to call them and tell them to stop showing today's birthday because they all are.
Well, you can actually see one wasp nest over there. That's an old one. There's another one right there, but abandoned nest. Where here we have the kitchen. There's the oven and microwave. I don't know, my grandma has a lot of cups right now.
Ready? Yeah, and Billy and them want to take a separate vehicle. I don't care. If they want to take a separate vehicle, that's fine. That's their prerogative. I gotta take a
Okay, now.
choice.
There's my room. This is my room. Let's go upstairs. And there's a unknown room. This is the boy bathroom. I can show the other rooms because they don't like me going into their rooms. Let's see. There's the pool room. This is my grandparents' bathroom. There's the light switches there. Hello? This is the hallway. Here's the living room. And there's the third bathroom is over there. And the fourth is what I use. And it's upstairs. Let's go there.